Prepare tools and check the accessories of mounting bracket. Step 1. Remove the screws on screen bottom and install the crossbars. Step 2. Place the crossbars in the center. You can use a ruler to help you measure. Step 3. Lock screws and fix bracket. Step 4. Install waterproof rubber strip. Follow the same steps for the other crossbar. Step 5. Lift the screen to the car roof and place it in the center. Slowly adjust the pivots of the bracket. Make sure the bracket is placed on the edge of the groove. After fixing the position, press U with force for locking. Same operation for 4 places, pivots. Step 6. Choose a hook that fits your car's roof frame. You can put a sticker on the bottom of the hook. Step 7. Hook the door frame and tighten the hook. Use the key to lock it and remove the key. Step 8. Connect the power cord to the car battery. Step 9. The red wire connects to the positive terminal. The black wire connects to the negative terminal. Step 10. Connect ACC wire to the igniter. Completed. Start the car to light up the screen.